Got here as soon as I could, Judge. I apologize.
Well, no need to apologize. You're doing the best you can. This gentleman has some mental health struggles. I printed this. I'll need it back, but I guess I could just email it to you, but he's under an order from the probate court presently.
Hello. This is Attorney Mike Gravlin. I have been through airport hell today. There was a ground stop in Chicago, but the show must go on. Thank you, Zach, over at Law Nerds Unite, who sent this to me, and everybody else who also sent it to me. It's good stuff. I know I'm behind the curve, but excuse me. I'm a Matlock fan, and I was on a plane with no Wi-Fi. So let's carry on. Wait. No, I think we need to do this.
Can you please state your name for the record, ma'am?
He's not.
Okay, thank you.
So let's bring him in.
Is this just a form of order?
Yes. No, this is, you got some new charges.
Oh, this is our actual. Got it. Thank you. I'm good with that. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Brewer. I don't know if we've met. I'm Judge Middleton. Are you Roger? Roger?
I can't see nothing. There's a thing in the middle of the meeting.
Can you see me?
A little bit.
How do I look?
There you are.
Okay, good. Anyway, are you Roger Brewer?
Yes, I am.
You got arrested last night by a county deputy and a state police officer. I have here with me Mr. Keith Stickley. He's the chief public defender for St. Joe County. Let's talk about your charges. They filed a complaint by the prosecutor's office alleging that on July 9th in Mendon
I
Township.
thought it was the 8th.
Well, this says the 9th. Today's the 10th. So if it was last night, it was the 9th.
Okay.
That you did assault, batter, wound, resist, oppose, or endanger Deputy Jason Van Dyken.
How?
He's a deputy with the sheriff's department. How?
Okay, I get that. You told me that. How
Okay.
did I assault him?
Well, the police report said you grabbed him by the scrotum. I think there's
I
a
thought I had a
specific.
hold of his last testicle.
Well, all right, close enough. Either way, I think there's a special rule about that.
Hey, wait.
There isn't, there ought to be. Yes?
Did I hurt him?
I don't know.
I wouldn't answer any more of those questions.
All right, well, all right. The
Hang on.
other charge is resisting and obstructing Trooper Alex Sustorf.
How? They had me cuffed, trying to put me in the back of that vehicle
I don't like
on
it.
60, right?
Hang on a second. Hang on. You're good. Hang on.
Mr. Stickley, the defender, is here. What I need to do, Mr. Brewer, is get an attorney appointed for you, set up preliminary examination. They also charge you with having a couple of prior felonies, which would make that a maximum 4-year offense. I'm gonna show
Grabbing
a
his
plea.
testicles before your offense. I didn't even hurt him.
Hang
He was
on.
dragging my fucking right arm out off my fucking shoulder though.
Hang
on.
All
All right. Okay, well, calm down here till we get through this part. Pre-exam for July 22nd, 25 at 8:30, and a prelim if needed for July 29th, 25 at 1 o'clock. I'm gonna appoint an attorney. I believe it's gonna be Mr. Tim George. Now, I called the probate court. They indicated you were having some difficulties. So I called the
Mental
probate
health
court.
issues,
There's an open mental health petition for treatment dated July or June 17th. So were you in a facility for a while between June 17th and now?
Yes, sir. Well, I got out a few days ago.
Where were you?
Bronson, where I was headed when he pulled me over. I was headed back to the mental health hospital.
Well, I'm
There's shit
60
going
is
on in my
not.
head. I don't understand.
All right.
I want to get it figured out. I don't want to go to jail. I was headed to the fucking hospital when he pulled me over.
Well, you were headed down M60, which isn't,
Yeah,
M60
wasn't it? The east end.
say that again?
Look, this is pretty neat, Judge. If you look at the cop's camera coming at me, he flips his lights on, I'm right in front of him on the wrong side of the road. I go to the right. His
What
lights were on
time, what time was it? I couldn't tell from the report. What time did you get arrested?
Fuck, I don't know. The sun was shining on me about right there in the sky.
All right,
There
well,
was
I
a dead
can't
deer
tell.
carcass behind us and it stunk really bad, sure, like corruption and hypocrisy and stench all over the land.
I don't doubt it.
At any rate, I was headed to the mental hospital. He turns his lights on, I get over, he comes around behind me. Like, oh,
You
I
were-
in front of this deer. Hey, you wanna hear my side or his side?
No, I don't want to hear it much yet, because I don't want you to compromise your rights. We're gonna have a hearing where you get to say whatever you want if you wish to, but your lawyer isn't here yet.
Who was that dude right there?
He's the public defender. He's here to make sure I
I
do
don't
things
have a
correct.
lawyer, sir, I can't afford one.
Yeah, I've
Sir, I'm trying to
appointed,
tell you I'm trying to tell you that it's my advice. I am a lawyer. I'm representing you in this hearing here. My suggestion is not to talk about the actual situation until we have the ability to evaluate discovery and the attorney that's gonna help you out through this case comes and talks to you. He's gonna
Now-
talk to you the next day, okay?
Mr. Brewer, you said you were headed to the hospital, and that may be where you end up here. You're under a probate court order that I don't know too much about, but the officers indicate that you injured him. I'm gonna set bond at $5,000 cash or surety, and I'm gonna look into, I will allow you to be transferred to a mental health facility.
Can we go back to Bronson?
Yeah, if they think that's appropriate.
May I please go there until I can bond out?
We'll see if we can make that happen. All right, sir. Do you have family on West Street and Three Rivers?
My daughter Audrey.
Okay. All right, I'm not sure what's going on, sir. You got 0 that I could see, criminal record. But things are going on in your life.
Record if you ask me.
All right, at least you got those 2 things in Indiana, which are old and minor. I didn't see anything in Michigan, but those were some sorts of felonies. Anyway, I'm gonna contact your lawyer, contact your treatment people, see if they can get you back into the hospital pending your next hearing. But in light of that, I set the bond at 5,000 cash or surety. If you do post the bond, yeah, nobody likes that.
Nobody likes being pulled over for not, I don't know, I was doing 52 going east. I was on 60.
All right, you're headed the wrong way. Anyway, if you do bond out, no drugs and no alcohol, no weapons, no assaultive behavior, comply with all pivotal direction.
Middleton doesn't do it.
So how long do you think
Maybe
it'll take
release.
to get over there?
An order of pretrial supervision if to mental health facility, secure. Also, you're to take all meds as prescribed.
Yeah, I know. That sucks for you though.
Yeah, it does. All right, as I said, Mr. Brewer, I don't believe we met before. I guess we'll be seeing each other in the next 10 days or so. But in the meantime, I've got a lawyer for you, Mr. Tim George. Your bond conditions, no drugs and no alcohol. There's no indication that you were intoxicated, although you'd indicated that you had smoked some marijuana. You weren't drunk. No firearms, no assaultive behavior, comply with all mental health direction. take all medication as prescribed, may be released to a secure mental health facility. All right, good luck, sir. I'll be seeing you in the next few days. Your lawyer will come out to see you.
Is that the only one that ended up getting through, Your Honor?
Apparently, there were 3 and I didn't get charges on the other. It was strangulation and
Okay.
I'm not sure what to make of this gentleman. Which case are you ladies here on? One of the 230 ones?
Yeah.
Okay, you're in the right place. Thank you, Keith.
Yep, I'll check with you tomorrow. Are you doing it tomorrow in custody? tomorrow?
I don't know. I've got first of the month pre-trials and there's about 417,
Okay.
but I'll be here tomorrow. I think Luke is here tomorrow. Okay,